Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. For your daily energies, we'll be picking few cards, guys. For your love energy, it's going to be like a picker card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose that pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. So for your daily energies, it's the Sun, Three of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that in your situation, guys, maybe someone may be sick in your family or in your friend circle, or you yourself, some kind of sickness, and you are taking care of them. And also for some of you, you may be working with your friends or family to help this person who is sick, or they may be helping you to get better, or it may be in your career situation you are working as a team. People are helping you, you are taking their support and they are taking your support, and that team spirit is there in your work situation. That is also what I see here, guys. And also I see here that things are getting better, guys, in your work situation and in your personal life. You have that confidence, courage and determination. You are feeling happy for how things are going in your life. You have that clarity of vision, confidence, and you feel full of assurance today. That happiness is there and understanding is there in your life. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. So maybe the sickness is the only thing I see here that is negative. Maybe it may be something minor, so you need not worry about that. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. For your daily reading, for your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, guys. Just like I said, you can choose the pile and skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description, so that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a picker card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. So we'll be picking 5 cards for your love reading. So let's start with the first deck. We will keep this card. Let's see what is coming up for y'all, guys. So this reading will resonate for all signs, guys, for your love energy. So let's see what is coming up. I'll be picking cards in random, guys. King of Pentacles, King of Swords, Two of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here. Knight of Pentacles in reverse and Nine of Wands. So with these cards, guys, the energy for your love reading, for what you feel about this connection or what your person feels about this connection. So you are a person of many talents, and your person sees you as a very skilled and talented person, and you are able to deal with any situation efficiently. So they have that great attraction towards you, guys. They have high regards for you and respect for you for how you deal with your situation. And you are a person who is ready for them, always ready to face anything that is coming up. So you are always there for them, and they see you as their strength and a person of great strength and courage. So they rely on you, or you rely on this person. You see that person as your source of strength and trust. You feel that you can rely on them whatever the situation is. And maybe for some of you, you may be even taking suggestions from them, what you need to do in your situation, guys. That is also the energy here. And though certain situations, certain things are happening in your situations that may be what to say, quite stressful. Maybe you have some minor misunderstandings, some quarrels, but still you share a great understanding that compatibility is there in this relationship, and you understand each other's strengths and weaknesses. So you share a great understanding with this person. That is also what I see here, guys. That compatibility is there whatever the situation is. Maybe some some minor arguments may be there in any relationship, guys. We are bound to argue. At some point we will not be able to agree what that other person is saying. So minor quarrels and some fights will be there in any relationship, but apart from all that, you share a great understanding with this person, and you know their strength, you know their weakness, and you know that you can rely on this person. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be spending time with them, taking rest, maybe taking your day off, and you're spending time with them, guys. That is also the energy here, guys. So let us see what is coming with the other cards. So we will keep these cards aside. So for the second deck, I'll be giving the timestamp in the description, guys. So if you want to watch this pile, you can click on the timestamp, guys. So we are starting the reading for the second pile. Heart, garden, mice, birds, stock. Some positive and some negative cards are here, guys, again. So with these cards, the energy is that in this relationship you share that you share that team spirit. You share a great understanding with this person, and you may be getting some good news. Maybe this person is coming with some important announcements, some plans for your future together, guys, or some kind of improvements in your relationship. Maybe you want to move forward with that deep commitment, maybe engagement or marriage. You're planning for engagement or marriage, or you're planning to start a family. So that is also what I see here, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person is using you, maybe using your time, energy, or using you in a financial way, guys. And you may feel that you are losing your time and energy because of them, or your health, or some kind of in some situations even your peace of mind, maybe because of how things are in your in your situation. Maybe this person may be taking your counsel, or maybe trying to use you in some ways, maybe because you are better off than them. So that may be the energy. And also, for some of you, you may be taking counsel from your friends or family regarding this connection. You want to speak openly to your close friends or your siblings, someone who will give you that proper guidance. And also, guys, a few of you feel burdened in this relationship. Maybe you are the person responsible, you are making some important decisions for this connection, so you feel responsible in some ways. That is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you, you want to spend time with them. You are going out to a party, having dinner or some kind of activity together. That is also the energy here, guys. So there is compassion and affection and love, but in some ways you may feel this person is using you, or making use of you financially, or making use of your knowledge in some way. And that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love reading. Thank you for watching this video, guys. That is the reading with these cards. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.